Today we will talk about a great topic. YouTube marketing refers to the process of promoting your brand, products or services through video content on YouTube. Here's a detailed guide on YouTube marketing and how to get started. Benefits of YouTube marketing. 1. Huge audience. Reach over 2 billion monthly active users. 2. Increased brand awareness. Build your brand and establish authority. 3. Lead generation. Drive traffic and generate leads. Fuel. Sales and revenue. Promote products and services. Fame. Cost-effective compared to traditional advertising methods. Types of YouTube marketing. 1. Product demos. Showcase products and features. 2. Explainer videos. Explain services or complex concepts. Testimonials. Share customer success stories, tutorials and how-to. Educate and engage audiences. Vlogs and behind the scenes. Share company culture and stories. 6. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers for promotions. 4. Paid advertising. Use YouTube's paid advertising options. Getting started with YouTube marketing. 4. Create a YouTube channel. Set up your channel and profile. 2. Define your target audience. Identify your ideal viewers. 3. Develop your content strategy. Plan your content types and schedule. 4. Invest in quality equipment, camera, microphone and lighting. 5. Optimize your videos for SEO. Use keywords, tags and descriptions. 6. Promote your channel and videos. Share on social media, websites and email. 7. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and create a community. 8. Analyze and adjust. Use YouTube analytics to track performance and adjust strategies. Additional tips. 1. Consistency is key. Regularly upload high-quality content. 2. Be authentic and transparent. Build trust with your audience. 3. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Grab viewers' attention. Leverage YouTube's features. Use cards, end screens, and annotations. Collaborate with other creators. Expand your reach and audience. By following these steps and tips, you can establish a strong YouTube marketing presence and achieve your marketing goals. Good luck! For more best videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel.